Hello, welcome back to my Java game tutorial. Okay, it's a very long time. Yes, in the previous video, I um, I did jump in and stop on this line. Zero. This means the lane. Yes, this is the lane. It's actually the lane. Yes. Okay. And in this video, I will show you draw an image on the screen and the animation. Yes. Okay. First, I want to show you the old project that I wrote a long time ago. And if you download it, you can see many code I wrote in this project. And my tutorial, I just explain something that you can understand, uh, and in this tutorial I will show you something and you can do very well and you can understand all the things in this project. And this project is very simple, right? Very simple. It's just Java code, but learn this, you know some basic technique in game programming. Okay. In the old project, I have a yes, direct game O. I have a data folder here in the root folder. The root folder means the folder of the project, and the source, the other code that we write and we run the code, and we need some data like email, like audio for the project. Sometimes we have a data file like text file, a data file for the map. Yes. And in the future I will show you some game with that file. Okay, in this tutorial I will have a data file, and your work is copied it to the new project for drawing some image and playing some audio file in the game. Yes. So where is the data file? Yeah, this is a big question. Okay, I will show you. Yes, in the first video in this tutorial, the Chrome Applied Games Java Programming tutorial first, you can see in the description I have some information. I have a, and you can see here data, the media file. Click on this link, you can see data folder, data.raw here, and click download and use extract file to the folder data and simple copy it to your project. Simple, right? Okay, and a little more information I want you to see. I have some okay, yes, I I also have a shortcut here, and if you don't want to see my tutorial, you can download it and read the code by yourself. Okay. And one more thing, I have my game on Google Play. Yes, some game that I code and I distribute it on, I publish it on my Google Play account, and you can click on the link. Yes, this is the sim. This is the payment game that I coded. Okay, and this app, oh, just forget it app. Yes, it's not game. Something that I get money. Yes. Okay, you just focus on the game payment, or on the other game, classic bomb, memory practice. Yes, I code many games, and in the future I will code more many. Yes, and I hope you guys can help me to download this game. And yes, that's the donate for me uh, to create new more very amazing video in the future for you. And okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention for in this. Okay, let's continue this project. It's tutorial. Okay, I just produce how to get the data folder, and after you get the folder, you copy it to your project from the root folder. Yes, remember, under the root folder, yeah, the first level. If you copy wrong place, you can't get the data right. Yes, you can get it, but it had a little bit different in my code, so it's not good. Okay, and please copy the data folder on this folder and the top level. Yes. Okay, and then the next thing you need to do is create a new packet. I name it util. Yes, util. That's just the name. You can name something that you like. Yes. Okay, and this I will create a resource class. Yes, I use resource class to create yes, to get the email yes, publish started buffered email get resource email, and path yes, import the buffered email. Yes, okay, I will explain this method for you. This method get a buffered email, yeah, which can draw on the screen by using graphic. You can see I can call the draw email here. Yes, email, draw email, and it use an email for the parameter to draw on the screen. Yes, and buffer email it also It's also an email. Yes. Okay, you can click and you can see buffer email is then email. Yes. So we actually use it to draw on the screen. Okay, and in this I will declare an email for me and try get. Yes. Okay, I will write step by step for you. Yes, and okay, email pro icon email IO. Yes, and right in the parameter we will new file and path your path. Import the file. Okay, and okay, I will explain to you. Email IO and red is a method, in the static method like this method. Yes, and it return an email, a buffer email. Yes, and see it will throw an exception if the path invalid or sometime the error occurs. Yes, so we need to check it. Yes, check it. Let's print start J. Okay, and return email. Okay, very simple. And in the main character, train email, buffered email, or email. Yes, I can use buffered email and character email. Course. I will create a constructor and get the data, create object email by using resource get, and in this I will put the path from the root, that is the data subfolder, and see I will get the main character 1 png. Yes, so now we have an email, and yes, I will draw that email, character email, and s and y none. Yes, okay, I run the project. Yes, you can see here, and so because the image size not fit with the object red, so we need to set about fit with the picture. Okay, it's very simple. In this I will use character email get width and the same way we may get hey, and for this, yes, you can see 100 for the hey of the rectangle, so we will replace it with the hey of the email. Very cool. Yes, very cool. Here you can see. Okay, and let's go back to the O2 and create new Java class animation. Yes. Yeah, I will explain you with what is animation and how is animation. Yeah, animation is action, something not idle. Yes. Yes, and you can see character. Yes, let's see this picture, and I will change. Okay, you can see image change, and it make you imagine the T-Rex game. No, the T-Rex object you running. Yes, and how animation. Yes, we will use some frame. Yes, some frame. Particular, I use 2 frame for the run animation. Here you can see. Yes, I will use 2 frame for the running animation. And so because we use a list of frame, so then we need to create a list. Yes, a list frame, right? A list frame. Create a constructor animation. And frame equal new array list. For email here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's for email and delete O2. Yes, not AWT. AWT for the interface of the Java, and O2 is the correction. Yes, and update. Void public preferred email get frame, return yes, if frame size bigger than 0, I return frame get 0. Another way, L return none. Yes. Okay, of course. Add frame preferred email frame and frame at frame. Yes. Okay. Main character. I will replace it by animation and character run. Character run. Okay, character run. Call new animation and character run at frame. Frame is an image, so I will get this for the parameter. No, sorry. Yes, delete this line and in this I will yes get frame and get height. Yes, of course, for this and for this get width and yes, get frame. Okay, yes, you can see here. Yes, and animation, we need to update the frame. I will use another variable like current frame or frame index equals 0, and when I update I will frame index plot and check if frame index bigger or equal frame size. I will assign it a new value by 0. Yes, from beginning and okay, in this I would use frame index. Yes, very simple. And the main character in update I will call character run update. Yes, and run. Okay. Okay, I forget it. Yeah, I added just one frame, so I need to add another frame. Main character 2 and run it. Yeah, you can see the animation run. But this direct running very fast. Yes, so how we can make the T-Rex slow down? Okay, very simple. Just use another variable like delta time. Yes, and previous time. I will plan the previous and then the time after. Okay, in the animation construction I will give delta time first, and this delta time, go delta time, and okay, and yes, if system current millisecond, this method current time millis return the time on your computer or on your device by the millisecond, right? And I set the previous time. If it bigger than the time, I will do this. Yes, it means now after delta time, the frame index is plot. Yes, and I will set reverse time to the new value. Okay, sorry, it's long will be enough for the millisecond. Yes. Okay, so yes, in this construction I will give in 500 millisecond and run it. Yeah. You can see very slow. Just okay. Yes, very cool. So I will it plan the previous time. Yes, the previous time is the hook of the last time. The last time you plus the frame. The last time you change the index of the frame. So from the last time, yes, from last time here, and after that you can get the current time mean now set for set to the last time you can get the time passes. Yes, if the time passes bigger than the time, you will plot or change the index. Yes. Okay. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget subscribe if you didn't, and like this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.